Instagram users, you may have noticed something new at the top of your inbox. On December 13th, the social media company announced the rollout of Instagram Notes, a feature they described as a new way to share your thoughts and see what your friends are up to. Want to learn more about it? Well then keep on watching, for in this video, we'll talk about what are Instagram Notes and how to use them to grow your Instagram. Before we start, please give us a like and share this video so it could reach more people. And let's get started. First, let's talk about what are Instagram Notes. Instagram Notes are short posts or messages that appear at the top of other people's inbox. Think of it as a thought bubble that appears above your photo or icon in other people's inbox. You'll be able to see your own notes there, along with those posted by your friends or followers. Instagram Notes can include text and/or emojis and must be 60 characters or less. Instagram Notes are totally customizable. The note will remain at the top of your friends or followers' inbox for 24 hours before disappearing. You can also update, edit, or delete your note at any time. Friends and followers have the option to respond to your note as you do to theirs, and replies will appear as DMs in your messages inbox. Next, how to get Instagram Notes. Wondering where to find the new sharing feature? The new feature is available to everyone with Instagram, with the exception of users based in European Union, United Kingdom, and Japan, due to the regulatory constraints. But it is said that they plan on rolling it out to everyone in early 2023. So here's how to use Instagram Notes. To see if you have Instagram Notes available and if you can use them, go to your inbox section and look at the top of your page. You will see a note above your chats if someone from users who you follow create one. If you want to make an Instagram note, press the plus icon and enter an update. Then select who you want to share it with and hit share. Users won't get a notification when you share a note. If you tap on someone else's note, you'll see a window offering you to send them a DM. Next, why can't I see Instagram Notes? If you don't see any notes and aren't in one of the specific regions, namely European Union, United Kingdom, and Japan, where the messaging tool has yet to be launched, Instagram recommends updating the app or logging out, then back in again. If you aren't running the latest version of Instagram, it may be the time to update the app on your iPhone or Android. Here's how to turn off Instagram Notes. If you want to keep things the way things were, then you may be tempted to turn off the feature. But for the time being, you're out of luck. Instagram Notes cannot be turned off completely. However, much like Instagram Stories, users have the ability to mute specific individuals if they don't want to see what they are posting. Lastly, let's talk about how Instagram Notes can help your business. While some users find it entertaining, some mock it. Others wonder how it will be relevant to their social strategy. It's hard to come up with ideas how this novelty might be used for business purposes. Yet, we've been thinking, and here's what we've come up with. You can use Notes to share exclusive deals, discounts, or any other updates with only those you follow and who follow you back, or with your close friends. Some businesses give discounts if people follow them on social media. You can use the note feature just for that. Thus, you'll be sure that these people are actually followers, not just visitors of your profile. But for that, you need to follow them. In general, we don't think there would be any particular use of this feature for businesses, unless Instagram comes up with an innovative idea to run ads in your DM section. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about the Instagram Notes feature. I hope you find this video helpful, and if it did, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends, did you know that you can rank at the top of the SERPs and drive organic traffic to any niche with the only SEO strategy that still works? Get yourself and your customers free targeted traffic with guest posts on high-ranking and high-traffic websites. Introducing Post-Affluence, backlink and guest post automation with inbuilt marketplace. With Post-Affluence, you can find perfect sites to target, outreach automation, and trade in guest posts and links. It is so easy. You'll have your first campaign running within an hour. It has powerful dashboard, website finder, short lists, email campaign, SMS campaign, marketplace, snippets, and detailed reports and analytics. Stop getting expensive ad traffic that drives your profitability into the ground and try Post-Affluence right now. Just go to getpostaffluence.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.